Welcome to Animals Mysteries. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of one of nature's most iconic and fascinating creatures, the giraffe. Towering over the African savanna, these gentle giants hold secrets that will surprise and amaze you. Over the next hour, we'll uncover everything you need to know about giraffes, from their biology and behavior to the challenges they face in the wild. So sit back, relax, and prepare to be amazed. Don't forget to give us a subscribe. Thank you very much. Let's start by exploring what makes a giraffe. A giraffe. Standing up to 18 feet tall, giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. But how do they achieve such extraordinary heights? It all starts with their unique anatomy. Their necks alone can measure up to 6 feet long and weigh around 600 pounds. But here's a fun fact. Giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. Each vertebra, however, is incredibly elongated. Their legs are equally impressive. A giraffe's legs can be over 6 feet tall, allowing them to run at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour over short distances. And don't forget their horns, called ossicones. Unlike antlers, ossicones are permanent and covered in skin and fur. They're used for thermoregulation and sometimes even for sparring. Next, let's talk about the giraffe's diet. These herbivores are perfectly adapted to browse on the leaves of tall trees, particularly acacias. Their tongues are a marvel of evolution. At up to 18 inches long and prehensile, they can skillfully strip leaves from thorny branches. Their tongues are also dark purple, which helps protect them from sunburn. A giraffe's digestive system is just as remarkable. Like cows, giraffes are ruminants, meaning they chew cud. Their 4-chambered stomachs allow them to extract maximum nutrients from tough plant material. Giraffes are social animals, but their social structures are quite flexible. Let's take a closer look at how they interact. Giraffes typically form loose groups called towers, which can range from a few individuals to dozens. These groups are fluid, with members coming and going. Mothers are especially protective of their calves, which can stand and walk within hours of birth. However, only about 50% of calves survive their first year due to predators like lions and hyenas. Males, on the other hand, often engage in necking, a form of combat where they swing their necks to strike each other with their ossicones. These battles determine dominance and mating rights. Surviving in the African savanna requires unique adaptations, and giraffes have plenty of them. Despite their height, drinking water is a challenge for giraffes. To reach the ground, they must splay their legs and bend their necks in an awkward position, making them vulnerable to predators. Giraffes' hearts are another wonder. Weighing up to 25 pounds, their hearts generate enough pressure to pump blood up their long necks to their brains. Their spotted coats serve as camouflage, helping them blend into the dappled light of the savanna. Each giraffe's pattern is unique, much like a human fingerprint. Unfortunately, giraffes face many threats in the wild. Let's discuss what's being done to protect these magnificent animals. Habitat loss is one of the greatest challenges giraffes face. Expanding agriculture and urbanization encroach on their natural habitats, forcing them into smaller areas and increasing competition for resources. Poaching also poses a serious threat. In some regions, giraffes are hunted for their meat, hides, and even tails, which are considered symbols of status or used in traditional medicine. Climate change exacerbates these challenges. Prolonged droughts and changing vegetation patterns reduce the availability of food and water. The good news is that there are ongoing efforts to save giraffes. Conservation organizations are working tirelessly to establish and expand protected areas where giraffes can roam freely and safely. Education and community involvement are key. By engaging local populations, conservationists aim to reduce human-wildlife conflict and promote sustainable practices that benefit both people and giraffes. Translocation programs are another innovative solution. In some cases, giraffes are relocated to areas with better resources or to reintroduce them to regions where their populations have dwindled. Giraffes have captivated humans for centuries, inspiring art, mythology, and scientific discovery. Let's take a closer look at their cultural and scientific significance. In many African cultures, giraffes are seen as symbols of foresight and flexibility. Their ability to see far and adapt to changing environments makes them a powerful metaphor for resilience and vision. In ancient Egypt, giraffes were often featured in art and even kept as exotic pets by pharaohs. Their elegance and height fascinated royalty and commoners alike. In the world of science, giraffes have much to teach us. Their cardiovascular system, for example, provides insights into managing high blood pressure and preventing fainting in humans. Their unique walking gait and long limbs have inspired robotics engineers who study their movement to create more efficient machines. Even their social behaviors, such as necking and group dynamics, offer valuable lessons about conflict resolution and cooperation in animal societies. Giraffes also influence art and design. Their striking patterns and graceful movements inspire everything from clothing to architecture, proving that nature is the ultimate muse. From their towering heights to their incredible adaptations, giraffes are truly one of nature's wonders. By learning about and supporting conservation efforts, we can help ensure that these gentle giants continue to grace our planet for generations to come. These creatures are not only remarkable biologically, but also carry countless interesting stories behind their actions and special abilities. I hope this video has provided you with new knowledge and sparked a greater appreciation for the creatures around us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so we can continue exploring more mysteries together. See you in the next video.